goes down, but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, you know.
Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So time check, it's currently 3:40 and I'm so excited. So a couple days ago I ordered this penny board on Amazon and I'm just like, I feel like I always put on makeup for intros, but I'm gonna be putting it on right now. So I'm gonna do my makeup really quickly while I introduce the video. So today I'm filming like night routine, I guess, like an afternoon night routine type of thing. You guys have probably seen like day in my lives, and I tried to film those like throughout this entire week, but now I'm excited because I'll be showing you guys my new penny board, I guess. I don't know, it hasn't come yet. You guys have also asked for like me to film more vlogs and stuff, which I'm gonna be trying to do. So let me know if you guys want me to do an updated makeup routine or something, because I don't know, my makeup doesn't really change. I don't know, I want to go outside more, even though like I can't really go anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, which you guys will see. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so my makeup is pretty much done. I'm gonna add a few more things, but I'm just gonna talk to the camera while I do that. I did this in literally under 8 minutes, so that's fast. For some reason, this side of my face always gets like more bronzer than the other side. I'm gonna add some bronzer to my nose because you know how people do like blush on their nose?
My nose, it just gets so red.
And even though it's like sunny outside, I'm still scared it will. So I'm just gonna add some bronzer because I feel like it gives it like not really a sunburnt look, but more like beachy. I'm gonna add some bronzer to like, oh well, now I kind of look dumb. Add it to the sides then, and then kind of like to this part. So that's the finished look. Now I can't stop looking at my nose. It's just kind of okay. Then I'm gonna add this Burt's Bees lip shine, it's called, and I use it pretty much every day. I don't think it has come yet. I might check, but I'm gonna get changed real quick. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just changed into this. So these are the same jeans that I wore in my last video. They're from Target. They're actually way too big. Then my top is from Chili's, and yeah. So I have a very important question. Do you guys think the visco trend will be a thing in summer 2020? I have no idea if you can see my face or not. I feel like people made it like really offensive, so I don't know. I don't know if it's there yet, so I'm gonna check. I ordered one and my sister also has one. Well, she ordered one. I feel like you guys have not seen like any part of my house since I moved here, like in the summertime. Oh dang. They're here. They're here. We're gonna do an unboxing. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Comment down below what her name should be. Yeah, here, I can get some scissors. You want my penny board, huh? I got it in the color salsa. Like actually, it's called salsa. Alright, I got my shoes on. I have no idea how to do this, so I'm just gonna put my foot on and see what happens.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend. Sun goes down, but we get back again.
So then I fell like pretty hard on my driveway. I just fell on my driveway. Send them all to me, please. This is your phone. Oh. Well, I'm thankful for an amazing experience. So I did get this photo. I also got these. Hi guys, so update. I'm currently eating dinner and I'll see you guys later. I've been watching TikTok this whole time. Hi guys. Okay, so I think I said this earlier, but I tried filming this some other time. So me and my sister painted. This was like a couple of days ago. I painted this, which is really bad, but I'm gonna paint over it now. Hopefully this will work. I'm not good at painting whatsoever. I'm gonna start with some purple. I'll show you guys like a montage too. I'm just gonna start. I really don't know why I just did that. That was like a waste of my time. Who would click on a thumbnail with this in it? But I mean, I could clean my room. Should I clean my desk? Alright, it's all done. Here's my food. Very delicious. This is what it looks like. It's nice and clean. And then I also kind of organized. Oh. So yeah, now I'm gonna do like some skincare. Welcome back. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine really quickly. If you want me to do like a whole another video dedicated to my skincare routine, I can. I didn't want to like not explain my skincare routine because I feel like it's like a bigger part of my night routine. Then I use some makeup wipes to take off my makeup. These are by Pacifica. These are the orange and vanilla ones, and they smell so good. It smells like a creamsicle and just like smells amazing. And I don't really try really hard to get off everything. All right, next is my cleanser. Sometimes I use one of them and sometimes I use two. Like sometimes I use both. So the main one that I use is this purity one, and then the other one that I'll use is this kale green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. And then what I do with my cleanser, instead of just like adding it to my face, what I like to do is I like water it down a little bit and then I rub it in my hands and then just go like this. And then I'm going to use the second cleanser. It gets like so soapy, which makes no sense, but I just like it better like that. So the toner I've been using lately is this one by Bliss. It smells like watermelon. My camera just died. So I'm going to explain the rest of my skincare routine because I already did it. After I do the toner, then I'll go in with this serum. It's by Pixi called the Overnight Glow Serum. And then I'll use a moisturizer. This is the CeraVe Essay Lotion for rough and bumpy skin. And then I'll use the Smart Badescu spray. So yeah, that is my skincare routine and pretty much the end of this video. I already showered in the morning, so don't come at me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure to go follow me on my Instagram at Annika Cho. And go subscribe below if you want. So yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It's me. So if you're watching this, comment below what the name of my penny board should be. Maybe the killer, because it kind of killed my knee today. Comment the cheese emoji if you see this. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.